In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order history on Redbubble in 2025. Whether you're looking to keep track of your purchases or simply want to revisit those independent designs that caught your eye, it's a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Redbubble website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted by a vibrant array of products, all designed by talented independent artists. This is the starting point for accessing your account details. So, go ahead and open your favorite web browser and type in www.redbubble.com, hit enter, and let the page load up. Take a moment to admire the creative works on display. It's truly a treasure trove of originality. Next, you'll want to locate your profile icon. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. This icon acts as a gateway to all your personal account information. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will unfurl a drop-down menu. Essentially, this menu is your control center. It offers you various options to manage your account, from viewing your profile to checking your messages and, most importantly for today, accessing your order history. Now let's get into the heart of the process. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Order History. Go ahead and click on that option. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all your past orders. It's like taking a walk down memory lane, revisiting all the unique and inspiring items you've added to your life. Each order will display essential details such as the purchase date, the items you ordered, and their prices. And there you have it, the entire process of checking your order history on Redbubble. It's a quick and handy way to manage your past purchases and to ensure everything is as expected. Remember, whether you're tracking shipments or just reminiscing about the beautiful art pieces you've supported, your order history is a vital tool. With these few clicks, you can easily keep tabs on your shopping adventures with Redbubble, ensuring you always have access to the details that matter to you most. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you continue to enjoy discovering unique creations on Redbubble. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!